Hello and welcome to another great video of Luke Exploration and Play. Remember to subscribe, share and like to my channel. And we've also got a special visitor, Allison.
Hello!
And now we are going to make a delicious chocolate sponge cake. And there are two important rules that you'll need to make this cake. And number one is wash your hands. So we've washed our hands clean and now it says empty the cake mix into a mixing bowl. So now we're going to open it with the scissors. And we need to be really careful to make sure we don't cut our fingers. So now we're going to tip all of it in. Wow! Next, you will need just one egg. And now we're going to crack the egg. So we've cracked the egg with a parent's help and now we are going to mix the egg. It's turning all orangey. Next, we need to pour it in. So Allison, would you like to pour the bowl in?
Yes.
Okay, be careful.
Now pour it in.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
And then the water. And then we're going to mix it.
I'm going to mix it together with me.
Looks yummy already. And the best part about doing this is licking the bowl. So we've mixed the mixture and now we're going to be creative and I'm going to tip in on hundreds and thousands. And what are you going to tip in?
I'm going to tip in chocolate
chip.
Chocolate chip.
So now we're going to put it in. You're going to put it in? Wow. And now sprinkle. Wow. And now we're going to mix. So now we've put the sprinkles and milk chocolate chip in and now we are going to put the mixture inside this cake pan. But first, just so it doesn't stick, we're going to put some oil in with a parent's help. So now we've put the oil in the pan and before the licking of the bowl, we are going to tip this into the pan with a parent's help just to be safe. So we've poured our delicious cake into a bowl. Come and look. It looks so delicious. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's lick the spoons. So while Allison is finishing the bowl and spoon, with the parents' help, we are going to put the cake in the oven. So we've put the cake in the oven for 15 minutes, and while we were waiting, we went outside into the garden and had some fun on the trampoline while we were waiting. The bowl is extremely hot, so please be careful and use an adult's help with oven gloves to guide you. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, share and like to my channel. Bye!
Bye-bye.